Do you love sushi but you actually don't like fish? Well, I've got the answer for you. Hi there lovelies, it's Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking, and I'm going to be making vegan sushi today. So the first thing I did was I cooked the rice, pour it into a clean bowl, and I add sesame seeds and some miren. Miren is the same as sushi seasoning or rice wine. Anyway, so then you let that cool. Now, time to roll, and I couldn't find my bamboo mat. Someone's thrown it out, obviously, in a cleanup, and so I just used greaseproof paper, and that worked a treat. So, first of all, add the rice to your Nori sheets. Leave a gap for the filling, and also a gap at the end so it's easy to seal once it's rolled. So add whatever filling you want, and you can even put your pickled ginger and your wasabi straight into the mix for ease, or put it on later like I did. I lightly fried some tofu in a ponsu sauce, which is the vegan version of a dashi, I believe. And I left that to cool while I cut up my avocado and cucumber. I also thawed out my seaweed salad. Actually, I did that last night so it wouldn't be frozen. And you can buy that from the Asian grocery shop in the freezer department. So after not making sushi for years, I found myself with 2 bags of sushi rice and 2 packets of Nori sheets in my cupboard. So I think that was a sign telling me I have to make them again. So use a sharp knife, something that seems to be hard to achieve in our house, and cut up your rolls, and then they're ready to eat. Add soy sauce or dipping sauce to your bowl, add your ginger and wasabi, and enjoy. And that's all for me today. It's Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.